loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, I'm going to jump right into this video. I hope everyone is doing well. Guys, this is an open collab, and it's for all creators. And we are a newly formed decorated tea party club. Okay, and our theme is our Alice in Wonderland tea party theme for a tablescape. Now, this is going to be a yearly open collab, and we will bring you different themes every time. But for this year, our first year, we picked Alice in Wonderland Tea Party. Okay? Now, our host is Really Good Living, and the co-hosts are Style with Pat, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Mari Key's Happy Home Decor, The Rogers House, Buckeye Girls Reefs and Things, and myself, Diva Decorated. Guys, I am so excited to be doing this tablescape. This was so much fun to put together. Mostly everything you're going to see is mostly thrift items, so it really did not cost me anything. And I'm just going to go around the table and I'm just going to show you what my Alice in Wonderland Tea Party tablescape looks like. Here we go. Okay, loves. So this is how I have my tea party set up. And here, all these things mostly come from the thrift store. All the plates and the cups and the little saucers are all from the thrift store. The placemat are already had. The silverware are already had. And I have some playing cards up here. The teapot already had. It was really in bad shape and I polished it up and now it looks absolutely gorgeous. I have my stacked cups here. I also have the florals coming out of the teapot. I almost didn't have room for my Alice sign. That was one of the requirements in the video, to have the word Alice or a photo of some sort. So I have that here on the end of the table. And at this place setting, I have a whole different placemat. I already had this as well. The clock, that is new. I believe I purchased the clock from Target. The key is from Target, that's new as well. And it's a key holder, but it's the only thing I could find, and I really wanted to display a key because that was essential in the Alice in Wonderland theme. And I have my topiary here. And some more playing cards. And for my centerpiece here, this tray came from the thrift store as well. The tiered tray. The cupcakes are faux cupcakes. And right here I have some cherry turnovers. They are real. And I got them sitting on a bowl just turned over to give them a little bit of height. And I have some more florals around. I'm going to take you on the other side. And this is the place setting over here. Another requirement for the video is that we display a rabbit or bunny of some sort. So I have my little bunny there. I have my drink me potion bottle. Actually, I have two. And there's another topiary. And right here I have my teapot with the blue roses blooming out of them. Guys, I really had to do some research on Alice in Wonderland. I basically do not remember the movie that well, but I do remember some of it. But I always like to do research when I'm doing my themed tablescapes. And that's a good tip for you. That way you'll know all the items that you might need for your tablescape, or things that were essential to the theme. And there's another teapot from the thrift store, and this is all from the thrift store. And there's my other drink me potion bottle. Guys, please go over and make sure that you check out all the co-hosts and the host channel. They all are great channels with great content and great content creators. So make sure you go over and check each and every one of them out. I'll make sure to leave their channel links in my description box. Also make sure that you check out the whole playlist and see all the Alice in Wonderland Tea Party tablescape. It might give you some ideas and some inspiration. And it's a lot of fun. So guys, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Make sure that you like the video. Also, leave me a comment. And share this video with someone who you think might enjoy this type of content. Until next time, loves. Bye-bye, my loves.